welcome back to It's Nelly. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two types of slime. First Floam and then fishbowl. So let's go. So first you're going to pour your desired glue. Okay, I think that does too much. Then you're going to put water is optional. You're going to make just like a full base slime, like just a regular slime. Then you're gonna leave it a little bit sticky cause the Floam. Okay, now I'm gonna put some activator. It could be any activator you want. It could be Gain, Borax, but I recommend you doing Gain. And it's working. Okay. Nope. Make sure it pulls away from the bowl. Because if it doesn't, you still need a lot more. Okay, so now add a little bit more because sometimes Gain could be strong. And you can do any glue, like white or clear or glitter. Okay, so we're not gonna start. Yeah, we're gonna start playing with it in the bowl because you don't want to play with your hands and get it all dirty. A little bit like that. That'll be enough. Okay, so my slime is really sticky right now, so got a lot. I don't want to put a lot because I have to leave it a little sticky so the foam could actually stick on it. Oh my god, this is so sticky. So let's keep eating. I have another tip for you. If you run out of activator, if you have shaving cream, put it in because that has baking soda. That makes it hard. Pretend nothing's happening. Please get off of me. Get off! Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pretend this is super hard. This is really sticky right now. Good, more Gain. Thank you. Okay, next. So, I'm having some technical difficulties here. So, I'm having some great technical difficulties. Oh my god, get away from me. Okay, so, don't fully activate it. To be sticky. Okay, so now you're gonna break it apart. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, we're gonna break it apart. So first we're gonna be doing the Floam with this piece. Move this out of the way. I'm gonna pick I like purple, so I'm gonna be, okay. And the Floam makes it a little tougher. So that's why I need to leave it sticky. I'm gonna put this now. It's like the activator. You can put as much as you want. Sounds sticky. Oh, and thank you for 20 subscribers. Okay. See how it's not getting that sticky anymore? Because you put the Floam and Floam is on. If it's still sticky, like I said, add more or just use Gain, activator, whatever activator. So when you're done, just leave that to the side if you're gonna make another one. So I broke it apart so I don't have to make another one. So this is how the foam turned out. Very crunchy. Now we're gonna be getting a fishbowl. Well, I need to get this all off my hands. Okay, now we're gonna get the fishbowl. You could get it at the Dollar Tree. Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of fishbowl. That's enough. So now let's go. Oh, and the foam, I'm pretty sure you can get it at Target. Or in a slime kit. I got mine off. Okay, off. Oh, yeah, stop walking on the floor. Ugh. Okay. Let's take a moment to send this to hear everything. Oh, now it doesn't want to do it. Credits to Mary for talking in the background. Credits to this because it keeps making noise. Credits to my big brother for organizing everything. Say hi. Okay. 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 Welcome to the comedy. Of course I have to do that. Please. I don't care about the noise anymore. Alright, so that's the gear right there. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit again and then we're okay. Okay. Let's knead it together. Let's put it together. Squish! And add your activator if it's really sticky and it doesn't fix it all. Oh, okay, it's everywhere now, unfortunately. So we're gonna collect it. Oh. And now you are done after 2 hours. Here's how it turned out. This is the Floam. This is the visual. And this is the Floam. This one did not make as much noise as this one. So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell to get noticed for every video I do. Thank you guys for watching and bye!